What are the options after a visa interview denial? Getting a visa interview denial can feel like hitting a roadblock, but it's not the end of the journey. There are clear steps you can take to move forward and possibly secure your visa in the future. First, it's important to understand why your visa was denied. The consular officer will give a reason, often citing specific sections of U.S. immigration law like Section 214(b) or 221(g). Knowing the exact reason helps you figure out your next move. Most common denial reasons, like Section 214(b), mean you did not convince the officer that you have strong ties to your home country or enough financial stability. Reapplying is an option, but you should wait until you can address the reasons for the initial denial. For example, if your financial documents were weak, gather stronger proof of income or savings. If your ties to your home country weren't clear, provide evidence like a job, property, or family connections. Reapplying without fixing these issues often results in another denial. Sometimes, the visa is refused under Section 221(g). This is not a final denial but a temporary hold. It means the consulate needs more information or additional documents before making a decision. If this happens, carefully review the instructions given and submit all requested documents promptly. This process can take anywhere from a few weeks to several months, depending on the case. If your denial was based on inadmissibility grounds, like certain criminal records or immigration violations, you might be able to apply for a waiver of inadmissibility. A waiver is a formal request to the government asking for permission to enter the United States despite the issues. The process involves filling out specific forms and providing supporting documents, and approval is not guaranteed. In some cases, especially for certain immigration benefits handled by the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, you might have the option to file an appeal or a motion to reopen or reconsider the case. But for most non-immigrant visa refusals at the embassy or consulate, these options are not available. Seeking advice from an immigration lawyer or an accredited representative can be very helpful. They can review your case, explain why you were denied, and suggest ways to strengthen your next application. For Black immigrants facing unique challenges, understanding these options and preparing thoroughly can make a big difference. Remember, a visa denial is a setback, not a final stop. Many applicants reapply successfully after addressing the reasons for their initial refusal. Staying positive and persistent is key.